because I'm just gonna pick up the car regardless. Like, we're over this whole situation already.
The thing is, he's running a scam. You know what I mean? He's doing insurance fraud. Do you want to like fucking put your business in jeopardy? If he wants to do that shit, just don't fucking talk. Don't talk to me right now, dude. Don't fucking talk to me. Just fucking back off, dude. I'm not taking this fucking car until it's done. It's been 5 fucking months, dude.
Hey, you fools want to try the VR shit? This shit's fucking crazy.
Oh yeah.
Does it feel like you're there? Isn't it cool to like look at the mirror?
Dude, it's so fucking. You know when you're driving and it's going uphill, my head feels like kind of the G-force without actually feeling the G-force. Like,
Feels like the car tilts and shit.
Yeah.
Some car shit. Is my car okay here?
Yeah,
You have coffee?
you want one?
Yeah.
I know, this is awesome. Now I want this shit back.
I'm nauseous. This is phenomenal, but my eyes are tripping out because I'm not feeling what I'm seeing.
Yeah, Rigo looks like he knows what he's doing.
It does.
Ah, fucking fucked it up.
If I could do the motion, this would be great, but I can't. No, it's too much for me.
I love that noise, bro.
I didn't know. I wonder what it meant to be.
Yo, we're just gonna show up, dude, because he was there earlier, and now I told him we're gonna show up and I'm gonna take it like no matter what. He's saying now that he's not there. I think we're just gonna try to pull up. Yeah, we're just gonna go right now, dude, and whatever it is, I think Anthony's calling him right now to let him know, like, have somebody there, because I'm just gonna pick up the car regardless. Like, we're over this whole situation already. Yeah, I don't know what else.
The fuck, no? That's the one. Mine was the right one.
I think so.
This is his second one.
Yeah. Well, I didn't know you had fucking 2 locations.
Actually, I don't think we need to worry about him showing up or not, honestly, because he will show up. The thing is, he's running a scam. You know what I mean? Do you want to like fucking put your business in jeopardy? If he wants to do that shit, all right, fine. Like, we could take it into a legal route. He's not gonna want to do that, so he's gonna show up and give me my car. Because if I threaten him with that shit, he's gonna want to show up. Yeah. Just like if you're running a business and you're doing something shady, you don't want somebody to talk about it, he's gonna have to listen to me, you know what I mean? So he's gonna give me my car back. He's gonna have to. I don't care if he says he's not there, he's gonna make it there. So he's gonna show up.
Okay, this is a second location. He's at the right one. We're 12 minutes out. So we're gonna go there, and this is Operation Get This BMW Back, because this has been, we've almost hit a half a year mark.
Yeah,
And
it's been over 5 months.
Every week.
Yeah.
It was originally supposed to be done in 2 weeks. I think we should get going. I guess you have the right address, wherever you pulled that from.
Them glasses looking
Yeah, you know, I got the Lux on.
Yo.
I look good in the lighting. Know what I mean? Oh shit.
This fool.
And we came in style to get this BMW back, dude.
It looks like they're trying to lock up and shit.
Oh, it looks like they're trying to lock up?
There we go.
Yeah, we're gonna pull in. Fuck no. Nobody's going anywhere.
There's a truck blocking. The gate is half closed.
Don't worry about it. I'm gonna take my car back. Pull in right here. It looks like they know why we're here.
Yeah. Which vehicle?
BMW?
With who?
Eddie. No, I'm gonna wait for him to come.
What you thinking, Rigo? Some birria tacos? I saw a bunch of spots right here.
I'm hungry. I haven't ate breakfast.
Some birria tacos are hella cheesy. Dip it. You like them? Consomme. There you go. And then sometimes they make I haven't tried it with the maruchan on it.
No, I didn't answer. And we had been texting back and forth, so he just decided not to answer. Are you calling him, or? All right. Didn't answer. So, fool, you haven't said one word. You good? Where's the taco? Came out hot as fuck. No, where's the taco?
That fool came out the car like.
That shit was hard.
I was like, damn, alright.
Bro, I just like foods that do good business.
Who's gonna pull up in his Rolls Royce, bro?
You got a Rolls too? What the fuck? How does a man with a fucking
He's a scam artist.
want to fuck you so bad?
Bro,
What's the fucking mat on his car? Why?
Hey, that fool washed my car yesterday.
Why'd you
take it off?
You think I'm gonna, like, he's the dude to keep the stickers on his hat.
This one, didn't he have an Infinity?
Who?
You? Yeah, I had a G35.
He doesn't like you.
I just don't like him.
You don't like him? Why?
I just don't like him. I don't know.
Because
Oh, he's pressing me now. Okay, there's a meme that shows Honda guys handing over the Ricer key to Infinitis and Dodge Challengers. You kind
how
of
does
get
it make it a bad car though?
It's not a bad car. I just don't like it.
Because other people don't like it?
No, I've always never liked them.
But it's really affordable.
You know what? I think it's the stereotype right now. They're like the Ricer boys and they like to rev.
It's getting wild, bro. I'm starting to get scared.
I don't know where to go.
I'm getting anxious. I feel like I drank a Red Bull. Getting anxious, bro. Where are we going? The Dollar Tree right there by the car wash. Across the street. So we're out here at the Dollar Meat. You know what I mean? We start charging people $1 to pull up and shit. Uno meat. But we have the Uno meat. You know what I'm saying?
Damn, I'm excited to see this. MK5 versus Nismo.
I got 60 more wheel, but it got
Powered
500
weight.
more pounds.
Yeah,
So.
that's why I was looking at the weight too, because he probably weighs around the same shit. Man, this is saucy. Yo, we don't have anything to mount on this shit? A flyby would be cool. But we should still like get the Lightning with the Osmo.
Just hop in the back of the bed at 11.
At 100.
We can go.
All right, Mateo.
I'm clocking out.
Buckle up.
Welcome in, bro.
I'm clocking out.
This is how you get initiated.
No.
You're at like first gear right now, dog. You're almost there.
My car would have been right now, fool.
Back up, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Back up.
You don't want that truck.
Sus. Pause. We need pause moments, bro.
If it doesn't work mechanically, that's when you leave the shit back here. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, and then I'm just gonna hope that there's no lights on coming on, and it's better to drive it home and take it somewhere else, and then find a way to charge them in another way, because it's some bullshit now at this point. I'll just see him in fucking civil or small claims court and just fucking charge him through that. If he doesn't want to pay me, just get somebody to get him to pay me, because it's very obviously all fucking fraud, you know? Okay, the deal between whatever the insurance wants to pay you, it's up to whether you want to do the car for whatever X amount. It has nothing to do with me. You know, like I don't have the control over that. That has nothing to do with me. No, that's not the way it works. That's never the way it works.
Insurance told me. That's what they told me.
All right, well then, I mean, if you want to tell them to tell that to me, I want to hear that, because that's not what they're telling me. Oh, actually, this is the list of shit that you got, right? So we have it. Bottom one. I think it's the bottom one. They're putting on the tires right now. He said he was washing it. They're literally finishing the car. I bet you he's never driven it. It's all right, we got all night. So where the fuck's the wrap? So what happened to the wrap?
Pulled it off.
Okay, so where's the wrap that we asked for? No, we talked about this already.
But
Nah, we're gonna have some problems, dog. I'm not taking this car like that, dude. No, we're gonna figure this out another way, man. This car, we needed to do this whole thing. We talked about this already. All right, let me make some phone calls. All right, we'll talk right now, man. Just fuck off right now. You're gonna piss me off, dude. Just don't fucking talk. Don't talk to me right now, dude. Don't fucking talk to me. Just fucking back off, dude. I'm gonna make a fucking phone call. Just fuck off. I don't care, dude. I'm not taking this fucking car until it's done. Hey, man, that's fine. You know what? I have text messages. You're running fraud, dude. I'm gonna call my fucking lawyer. Okay. All right. And then on top of that, I'm gonna send all the text messages over to Bristol West. Okay. They'll see that you're running a fraud. You're running a scam, dude. Okay. You talked to me. You said, "Oh, I'm gonna pay you. I'm gonna give you money. Lie to them. Whatever." No, I'm gonna send that to. You're putting your business at jeopardy right now. You know what I mean? That's fine. No. Don't even fucking talk to me. I'm not. Don't worry about it. So why exactly did you peel the wrap off? At least I could have fucking put the fucking wrap on the bumper. You took the whole fucking wrap off. Yeah, I never approved to take off the wrap and leave the car just bare. And to leave the car, to take off the wrap, to re-wrap the car. I approved to re-wrap the car. No, I'm not even fucking deal with that shit. This is fucking bullshit. How does he not mention that shit? Hey, you realize you didn't plug in that headlight, right? Okay, so go fucking fix it. Hey, shut the fuck up and go fix it. I don't give a fuck. Go fucking fix the car. It's been 5 fucking months, dude.
The thing you could do is go through people that aren't him. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Go through insurance, call the fucking lawyer and tell him this is what happens. You have the invoice that says $1,000 wrap. That's all you need, bro. You shouldn't even be yelling at this guy. The invoice says $1,000 wrap.
I'm not gonna step inside there no more. It's fine. If I have to go through like small claims, pay for the wrap myself, and then charge him for it, If he's not gonna pay for it, I know he's not, but I'm gonna just send it through small claims courts and then just get him to pay for whatever expenses I have to pay off-site, you know? But I'm gonna let you know before.
You can take the wrap anywhere you want, and insurance will pay for the wrap. That's, look at it, says right on here, watch, I'll even show you.
No, you can't do nothing, dude.
Right.
I'm just gonna have to see you in small claims. There's a couple things that we're just gonna have to pay for, and it's gonna come out of your pocket, man. I'll call the insurance. That's not what they're gonna say. We're gonna. I gave you 5 months to finish this car, dude. What happened? I asked you, where's the car being wrapped? You're like, right here. And then what happened? We had fucking 5 months, dude. What? Yeah. Why am I finding this shit out like this? This is bullshit. They didn't fix the fucking rear bumper, bro. This is the same shit from the hit. Remember how I told you somebody hit me from behind and it's like the smallest speck? Remember I told you, I was like, dude, you can't even see it, but it's still there. He never even touched the bumper. And I told him about it. Yeah, it's fucking bullshit. You're right, man. There's no point in arguing with him. I'm gonna try to get my money out from the court. They never put the fucking side marker on. Are you fucking kidding me? They just fucking, he's like basically throwing this car like back in my hands. This is fucking ridiculous. Where's the fucking side marker? Let's get out of here. Let's go, bro. This is fucking bullshit. This is the most fucking bullshit I've ever gone through in my whole ass life. Yeah, so I got scammed. This guy's a piece of shit. Took 5 months to not repair my car. There's still like scratch on the rear bumper. Chassis stabilization light's still on. Supposed to get a new headlight. That shit's a fucking used ass headlight. The hood won't close and everything's fucked about it. Tomorrow I'm just gonna find a lawyer, show him all the stuff that I have and all the stuff that was supposed to be done that never got done. And then on top of that, he was supposed to wrap the car. He unwrapped the car. This is the opposite of what I needed. This is like a fuck you basically, you know? It's all right, man. Wow, it's missing this fucking vent.
Oh yeah.
It's on the other side. This one's missing.
That's what I saw. I did notice something.
He's got me a new wheel well. This is not a new. This is an old rip wheel well. He just stuck back on. It sucks, man. It really hurts because like I love cars. That's just always been like one of my truths. Is like I fucking love cars. Dealing with this shit sucks, man.